Okay, when I was doing grade 10, I had the thing, yeah, problem, yeah, spiritual, what.
Is it?
Yeah, you know the thing that they say there's devil worshippers, what. We were at the hall, masisi dining hall, isifolele for ukudla. I just fell. And sometimes you go to a church whereby you're going to be forced to fall.
Yeah.
Like they're going to push you.
Yeah.
Wow.
Une-certificate. Certificate impela lapho.
Ahloliwe sha.
Una-certificate.
Hayibo ngihloliwe mina.
Ziyaphuma certificate lapho.
Yeah, ngithi
And esikoleni yazi esikoleni bekwenzakalani? Ngicela inamba yakini ngithi una imali. Athi ya. Ngizoke ngiphi 1000.
Serious?
He did that.
He did?
Yeah.
Oh.
I then said, let me give the guy a chance.
Oh.
Why not? I was not there. Because first thing first, I didn't want to get pregnant. We understand? The situation whereby ngiphila kabuhlungu nala chatini angikhokhi kahle nemali.
Yeah.
You understand? Ngabe ngithathe imali ngithenga ama shake engazi nokuthi ayenziwa kanjani.
Yo, what up, good people? It's your boy, Late CM, the one and only Martinent, as you already know. We are back, guys. We are back with another episode. I've got two people backstage as usual, known as Usihle. Yes, sir. Today, I've got you guys. A very special lady. It's been a minute since I wanted to get her on the show, but my guest today, she decided to make it through. Nginphathele uJinger. Yes, I almost said Queen Ginger, and it is not King Ginger. So I almost said Queen Ginger. Unjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila nami. So uJinger straight noma we are mfaka no queen or lady, or it's just nje Ginger?
Hayi uJinger.
Ginger. Oh, okay. And then, what's your real name?
Nkosiphila Florence Sibiya.
Nkosiphila. Have you ever been told ukuthi phela there are names that you would say leli gama labafana leli, like with the one uqeda ngitshela lona Nkosiphila. In most cases, like mina ngilazi kubajida. Have you ever been approached maybe or being told ukuthi unegama labajida?
For igama, my parents were expecting a boy.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah, and I get a lot of questions when it comes to the name Ginger. Also, I'm being approached as a man. I'm like, no, I'm a lady.
Yeah, that's why I'm looking Queen Ginger, lady, at least.
No. I like it like that.
You like it like that?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me, do you treat social media like a family? Because in most cases, in fact, when you wake up, I always see your status say Sanbonani. Pela, this thing of greeting, even in black families, masivuka esikhathini esiningi, obviously mele ubulise everyone that's in the house. You see, hence I'm asking, do you treat social media or the people that you have in your socials as a family? Because you always say Sanbonani. I'm always wondering why you bala status with Sanbonani.
Okay. I'll start by saying Oguti. This thing here, Sanbonani, was one of the lesson I was trying to teach myself. Okay. For an example, I was trying to be in this thing of a consistency, doing something every day, the same.
Okay.
So the Sanbona words, yes, I'm greeting my people. Before I talk to them, because on my social I talk to people even if they don't respond, but I talk to them. So before I talk to them, I have to greet them first. But the Sanbona thing, I think it's more than 3 years now doing it.
Yeah, okay.
So the Sanbona thing, it was for me trying to be consistent, and it became a thing whereby I understood before I talk to these people, let me greet them first.
Oh. Yeah, okay. Okay, no ngiyakuzwa. Then ukhulele kuphi?
Mina, I was born in Mpumalanga, in a small place called Komdrai.
Komdrai.
Yes, it sounds like a place domlungu, ne?
Sambohlala namabhono lapho.
No, emakhaya, when you say emakhaya, yo.
How far are you from Ibalfo? Do you know Ibalfo?
I ngiyezwa ngeBalfour because my peers abanye bakhona they went to EGS college eseBalfour, so I am hearing about eBalfour. So I was born there,
Okay.
and then at my higher grades, of which from grade 10, that's where I left home.
Why?
No, I was sponsored by the thing, yeah, the local sports. We were sponsored by Transnet, so I was choosing
Sponsored like to do what?
to go to school. I was
Or
studying.
to further your studies?
Yes, from grade
Okay.
10, I was at boarding
Or from
school.
from grade 10?
Yeah,
Okay.
I was a sport person.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I was
Oh.
a sport person. Then I was approached by this teacher telling me, "Hore, don't you wanna study at this school, whatever." And the school bengisazi ngokuthi besenza ama camp ngaso if like if baku appointile wawina nan because from primary being go sport, then when I get to baring higher primary, I started playing this thing called javelin. So
Ini?
javelin.
Javelin.
The one named
Okay.
Konto.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
So being as you could see, I'm that great. So
Okay.
so yeah, I was being telling a cat to represent the Mpumalanga. I was coming to Johannesburg, Jimistin, and then we
Wow.
compete with white people, you know.
And
'cause-
how old were you at the time?
yeah, I was very young, probably like I was
Yeah,
doing
ne?
my grade 7.
Yo.
Yeah, then I was approached, good, don't you want to study what, I was like, oh,
And your parents, were they supportive?
yes, my mom was, because
Okay.
I was raised by my mother's side family.
Okay.
Yeah. So eventually, straight point, I was born in Mpumalanga,
Okay.
and then I moved from Mpumalanga. But I was still around in Mpumalanga, but I moved to Ekaya. Then went to boarding school, completed there my matric and so forth.
Okay. Where you were sponsored?
This thing was more like I need to modlala the sports.
Okay.
Then modlala back cater or ya winner, because this thing was about winner.
Okay.
Then back select.
Okay.
Then from the school we were selected esikolweni. Then esikolweni then wahamba uyohlala etown mhlawumbe eduzane with other
Oh,
kids
okay,
from
okay,
izingikolo.
okay.
Then from there, I don't know if this thing's still happening, because at our times very late into the sport we were started serious. So hamba usithola usejozi, because we were playing at Jimistin, I think, if I'm not mistaken.
Wow.
Representing Batisigu National.
Was it your first time in Joburg at that time?
Yeah, definitely.
Yo, and how was the feeling like to come at Joe's in J? Pela, if you come, all the expenses are covered. Like you don't stress about anything. With what will I eat? Zabon and all of that. You see?
Yeah, the feeling was great, because you know the trips that you're gonna have as a
Yeah,
kid. Unihamba ngebhasi, baningi niyacula, get to know abanye abantwana abaseduzane, inkolo eziseduzane, because mhlawumbe besebenzisa ibhasi eyi-1 from maybe inkolo more than maybe 6. And asazani, then we get to know each other, selective, and we're playing every year. We were knowing good if we selected got Transnet.
Wow.
Uzodlala every year siba nama trip to the boarding school mina le ngafunda ku ngagcina sengifunda kuyo. Bekuyisikolo ebesikhempela kuso. Should be kumnandi masiya lapha ya. You understand? I'm from Imakaya, bro. So being
Being exposed to that life. It was a
Yeah.
nice feeling, eh? You felt so privileged.
yeah, and like I think it was good timing also.
Is that?
Yeah, it was, because at home was bad.
It was bad.
It was really bad.
Yo, wow.
It was really bad. Why are you saying wow?
No, like to get to experience such things, where else you come from a poor background, it's unlikely for someone who's from a family enganamal and stuff and all of that, or if a situation is better and those kind of things, because obviously every parent like wants what's best for umntanakhe, but it doesn't happen like that because of ithola ukuthi iphokotho yilo elingamvumeli ukuthi akambise la afuna ukubona khona. But if there are opportunities like this that can take you, I think even your parents, like, she was very, very happy about that, you see. So.
Yeah, and abantu basemakhaya, they didn't believe me. Actually, didn't believe my mother when she told them that mina ngizohamba ngifunda boarding school.
Is it?
So they were like,
Yeah, ne? So how how are you doing like academically? Because in sports, I can hear it's okay. You were good and like
Yeah.
you were touring because of sports, and then academically, how are you doing at school?
Yeah, I was doing great.
Is it?
I mean, I never experienced the thing of not achieved.
Is it? Oh, shoot when abotla ubhala ukuthi promoted ku Facebook, eh? But lento le say
No, I was not even having the Facebook by that time. Because mina yo, even though mama ngithengile phone, I think besengiqedile isikole.
yo. Ukujola kanjani mfethu? Ungana phone. Checka kanjani? Oh no. Khona lento leyo ukuthi umfana mayifikile uphost ilitshe and you'd know ukuthi it's your boyfriend lo post ilitshe.
Bakushayela ikhwela.
Noma shaya ikhwela or something.
Yeah, that thing was happening. Yeah, beyenzeka nale ama-flat nani, but like bengisebenza kakhulu ifoni ka bekune neighbor yami, we were very close and bekamdala kancane, so
Okay.
yeah, bekamdala kancane kimi. So beyasebenza la mafoni la yini Motorola or something.
Motorola,
Yeah, la incane, so at least I was able to please call and order. Yeah, but sometimes this guy would like once gave me phone yakhe and
Okay.
bye bye.
Magnike yakhe bese na.
Bekanginikeza yakhe like bekanamafoni ukuthi i2
okay.
anginikeze yakhe
Just
ukuthi
ukuthi
akhone
akwazi
ukuthi
ukuthola,
angithola.
yeah.
Yeah, bedli nasendlini bayithola. It was bad.
Umama kwenza.
Yo ngishaya yo.
Yeah, ne.
Yeah, yo. Mara like vele because ngibuya emakhaya indawo yethi incane kakhulu. So even if noma ufuna ukubona umuntu wakho you know which way to go. Yeah, by that time nje futhi kahle bengasi okay bengiphaphile too much ne. And people will think ukuthi vele ngikhule ngomntana ukuthi angithembisi.
Is it?
Yeah, people will even think ukuthi this one lost her virginity long time ago.
Can't you lost any virginity? Can't you lost any now? When did you lost your virginity?
When I was doing metric.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's when I was doing metric.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's when I was doing metric. Actually, it's when I was done with schooling.
Oh,
For sure,
okay.
yes.
Did you go to metric dance?
Yes, I did.
You did?
Yeah, even at my event, I was wearing my metric dance dress.
Is it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I did.
Sure, it was nice, eh?
It was.
Eish.
It
Yeah.
was.
So wena uthe uma ufika nje kwa-matric wacabanga zonke lezi zinto lezi.
Not really.
Ukulahle i-virgin bakho.
No, not ukuthi bengicabanga. I was not there. I mean, I had you see.
These things just happens. nje.
Not I planned it.
You planned it?
Yeah.
Yes,
Wow.
man, I planned it. No, that is why I'm saying you can't make a decision out of izinto lezo ongasihlelanga wena.
Or out
Yeah.
of your last.
Yeah, I mean, I planned it. Yeah, I understand. For an example, when I was in metric, so it happens the person that I was seeing, because that time ngimbona ngiba naye or ngijola naye.
Yeah.
It was not something ebe serious githi. Actually, he was not serious about me because bengimncane kakhulu kuye and he was in a relationship. So bengiyintombi le efihliwe, for example, like bengiyintombi le efihliwe.
Side cheek or something.
I don't know how to put it. Then it happens ukuthi ngakhula and lapho that time bengise boarding school and I was exposed. Phela boarding school lapha it was boys and girls from grade R to grade 12.
So you've never been smashed in a boarding school where there are no parents?
No.
Yo.
No.
But maybe some of your friends, like, they've been smashed.
Yes.
So why?
No, like that's what I'm saying. Gusi, I mean, I'm one person who owns a decision. I even lied to my friend when I was in the higher primary. They knew that I was not a virgin.
Okay.
My virgin breaker like was also surprised.
Kanjani.
Hey, man, game.
But no, not really. But he was also surprised, Wuri. After hearing so much stories about this lady and this, that's what I'm saying. It's being papega cool, and the people I was associated with were there. You understand?
Yeah.
I even faked.
That's why parents, there's this phrase that says, show me your friends, I'll tell you your future.
True that.
Hence, mababona bangani bakho, like, bebabona just one thing, like, you see. Not to see maybe you are different from them or what, and all of that. Bebabona just like that one thing. Even bebabona nje abantu abaphapile bodwa, yabo. And obviously, if you can, you can tell like from million miles away, you could say this one, like God, she's been around, yabo.
True.
Mm.
Yeah, Maranji, I wonder this thing, you're moving from Emakaya to boarding school. Like, so hence I said to the guy, I don't know if I was his side chick or what, but things didn't like went too well by that time, and then we broke up. Then once at boarding school, I was exposed to environment better than where I come from.
Where is that boarding school?
It's in Driefontein. Mkondo. Yeah, near
And what is the name of the school?
It's a Ezakeni Combined Boarding School.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it where you matriculated?
Yes.
Oh.
They know me there.
They know you there?
Yeah, they do. They do. They know Ginger.
They know Ginger?
Yeah, they know
and
Ginger.
How did you get that name, Ginger?
Yeah, there was this LO teacher. Yo.
Okay.
When I went to boarding school, I was being a cat like you.
Yeah, but now.
I was wanted Tommy boy or something.
Okay.
Yeah. So being mutama cat, you understand? And then being Jinjile, Ekanda. Then Mangfika Lapaya, and I was the only person who was speaking Siswati.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, the whole boarding school from grade 8 to grade 12. Imagine.
You're the only one?
Yeah, I was.
Wow.
And then when I get there, being Jinjile, so they didn't want to die.
Oh,
so
that's what I was about to ask. Was it allowed now?
That's why I had to make a plan. So ben kobisa I parish black when I was going
Hey bana.
when kobisa parish black. There's this Miss LO.
So be vala like really?
Yeah.
Was it working?
Yeah, it was working. Because I get abonga nthinti kanje kuthi isuse. Yeah, ehlasini benvalekile after school in case inhloko sinjinjile futhi.
Wow.
So uthisha lo omunye angithi kuma dormitories uhlala. Yeah, I was very high. Uthisha lo uhlala nathi kuma dormitories wangibona ukuthi after school jinjile. How during school hours anjinjanga. Kwenzakalani?
It doesn't make sense.
Ngelinye langa wangiyenza kanje. Wabona ukuthi ngifake ini iPorish. Make the mistake, I was the only person okhuluma iSwati. They were like Ginger yeSwati leli. You understand? It was something like that. Then the Ginger name was created there. Whereby she will always talk about Ginger and Wangtanda.
Is it?
Yeah, she was like, look, I don't know now. It was like it's been a minute and talking to her. But like I can say was Waba Umam. Then the Ginger name was known.
But when did you like that name?
At first, no, because because I didn't like it. You understand?
And then how did you fall in love with it?
Because I was playing ladies soccer. Then now when being called a Ginger and it was nice. It was nice. Yeah, it was very nice.
Okay.
Then I fell in love with the Ginger name. It was there with me.
Ever since, eh?
Yeah, and another thing that made me fall in love with the Ginger, when I went there at boarding school, since I'm saying like I was the only person okhuluma iSwati, and it was like I was funny when talking, people will laugh. Then now if ngizoqhamuka mhlawumbe ngidlula kuma class so there's this other person wangibuza wathi igama lami ngubani. Ngathi mina ke inkosi ngiphile bangibita Flo. Yeah, Bangbita Flo. Okay. So when I said Bangbita Flo, they thought the beta is a surname, then Flo is a name. Then the whole school knew, there's this girl at Bangbita Flo. Then when I explained myself, they said, when passing by any group, they will say, Bangbita Flo. Then I was just like not liking my name anymore. I want the Ginger name.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was not happy because they were not treating me well with the language. Yeah.
Okay, no, so then after boarding school, what happened? You went back home, you decided to further your studies. What did you do?
I mean, I didn't went home.
Oh.
I didn't even do the thing that they are doing, but again, pens down.
Oh, no, like
the one that you do after Uteduru Baladeras paper. Okay. I didn't even do it.
You didn't even write your shed?
Pens down. No, didn't get a chance.
Why?
I mean, after writing, I just came to Johannesburg straight.
To do what?
My father called me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my father said that I should come this side. So now, because and I was saying like being no my mom. yabona emakhaya ubaba was not there. So my father by that time was trying for us to build a relationship, especially nguye nomndeni wakhe lo asanawo ezumntwana obesekuteni naye, you understand. So after writing the last paper, mina ngathatha amasaka wami yonke into ngizona e-boarding school, then straight to Johannesburg.
And you were not far from Johannesburg, angithi?
It's not that far because like it's nearby Emelo, that place. Just Kuti is ilahliwe because the boarding school is near mine, so it's Emahlathini vele.
Oh,
Yeah, but it's very beautiful. It's very nice.
is it beautiful?
Yeah, you can Google it. It's very beautiful.
I completed school a long time ago. Why would I go back to school?
No, I'm saying like maybe you can refer your kids there.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Maybe. Okay. And then you came in Joburg to your dad.
Yeah, I came to my father's
To
place.
stay with your dad.
Yeah.
But do you know, Guti, like most parents, especially like abo mama, they don't like mama ntombazana yohlala nabantu besilisa, even if like it's your dad, like they just don't like that. What did your mom said like when she heard Guti you're going to stay with your dad? What was her reaction?
First I will say umamamine always wants what is best for me.
Oh,
you understand?
Okay.
So the thing of allowing me to go to my father or to come the side to my father, it was only because she knew that she wouldn't be able to afford me when I'm back home.
Oh.
And then she knew that I want to further my studies, and she can't even afford to give me that. And when coming back home, instead I will give her stress. Yeah, understand? Because even at boarding school it was not nice being there, having abantwana whereby they will come back, all with new clothes, beza with isn't the fast food, I wouldn't afford to come.
Who was
with those.
supporting you at boarding school?
I got parents there. The teachers became my parents.
Is it?
Yeah.
Did they buy you clothes, food, like parents, or just like would back advise and just try to talk to you? Maybe back things to go see this is the pet that you should take for you, like for your things to go well and stuff like that. Or they were financially like supportive?
So when I was doing grade 10,
Okay.
there were many stories which I won't touch. So when I was doing grade 10...
I saw touch just a bit.
Okay. When I was doing grade 10, I had the thing, problem, spiritual what.
Is it?
Yeah. You know the thing that they say there's devil worshippers, what. You know those things?
I heard of it a bit.
Satanism, what.
Yeah, Satanism.
Yes. So I
Does
was...
it align with Satanism with Illuminati? Is it the same thing?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Okay, cool.
So I think there were confusion a bit corner.
Okay.
Regarding like my spiritual life when I was doing grade 10.
What were you doing?
No, that not there was a thought. Things were happening.
Oh, is it? What was happening?
There's a lot that was happening. I can say that those things led me ukuthi ngizalwe kabusha. Or try to prove a point whereby I'm a human being, not what people are saying or people are seeing.
What were they seeing?
Oh my goodness. So when I was still at home, ngingayanga e-boarding school, when siba nalama trip wona lawa ukuhamba for sports they will say man mangilele mina qhuma amatayela wemoto. We understand lezi zinto lezi ezi-snacks whereby they believe ukuthi only Satanism people can do that.
They had those things way.
Like back home.
Okay.
When
it doesn't make sense. I'm trying to listen to this.
Okay, listen to this. Okay. So there's this other time we went to the school that I completed my matric the boarding school. Yeah. So make no mistake, there were more than 20 schools there.
Okay.
Abantwana abaselectiwe from different schools ukuthi bazocompete and then they come to represent the Mpumalanga province. You understand that to Gauteng namanye ama province bese complete now njengoba ngisho besiza kuma Jamestown. So by that time ngikwazi ngikwenzekalana, we were at the hall. We were at the hall, masisi ku dining hall sifolele for ukudla. I just fell.
You just fell?
Yes.
Out of nowhere?
Yes, and a lot happened.
A lot
people
happened.
were saying a lot.
What were they saying?
Okay, they said like I acted like an animal or whatsoever. You understand?
Okay.
And
like
then
you were crawling, doing
yes,
all those weird
yes,
stuff.
Yes.
Oh,
and then
okay.
people said I was connected to this other lesbian girl. I don't know what really happened, ne? But then now, whenever there's a trip and I'm involved, there will always be something weird eyenzakalayo ku-transport
Is it?
Yes, and kwenzeka if mina ngilele.
If unulele
Yes.
in the car or in the bus.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, wena umama ngihambisa ngisabafundisi banithanazela, like there were a lot happening.
So when at mabekutshela like at that time like masowuqulekile or uwile, what are you seeing like in that moment in time? What are you
Nothing,
seeing?
and even if like noma ngavuka
Ulele like just ulele nje when I
not
was
really ukuthi ngilele, even noma like ngavuka akubi ngathi ngiyavuka ngisho noma ngavuka emthokweni uyazi ukuthi bolele noma ngavuka it's like bengisolo ngiso like bekusolo ku right.
So when you don't recall anything, awukhumbuli next ukuthi what happened?
No,
Yeah.
no, like I'm saying no because I don't know how to put it, ne? I couldn't even understand when now recalling back because now I've grown up, ne?
Yes.
To things that were happening. I think bekunesandla semfene included.
Yeah,
You understand? Then now it was confusing because most of, I won't say abafundisi mhlawumbe laba basensindisweni or they're bad, but I will say ukuthi everyone who is a pastor, even inyanga, you won't go enyangeni utshela ukuthi you are not sick.
Yeah.
There's always something they want to say.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? And sometimes you go to a church whereby you're going to be forced to fall.
Yeah.
Like they're going to push you.
Yeah, they're gonna do it.
Especially those ones ama-devil worshipper vele bona labo befundisi vele.
Labayani uthola
And then
bagezisa
there's
no other way ukuthi
nenkukhu.
ungaphusha umuntu out,
Bathi
umkhombile
geza
ngomunwe.
ngopelepele ukhipha
You
amabhadi
understand?
la.
Like they act like they have powers.
Yeah.
So it was a situation like that. That's why now when recalling back, I think there were like bekune confusion eningi ebeyenzeka. You understand?
So when according to you, what do you think was happening with you? Like usubheka, like I think you just mentioned ukuthi you have grown, and I think like if you were just to recall back, like usitshele what was really happening, like more bheka manje, what was really happening back then?
Okay, at first I will say, mina isoto angiqali manje ulithanda.
Oh, okay.
You understand? I was always a church person, a church child. You understand?
Okay.
Even though izinto zebandla ezinye bengingazenzi because of affordability, I understand that bengekho. You understand?
Okay.
But bengihlala ngumntwana wasesontweni and ekudala ngisiziyoni. You understand? Lezi zinto lezi noma kuthandazelwa esontweni lami were not happening. You understand ukuthi ngiyaphi? But now when kunabanye abantu kunjanjani izinto lezi ziyenzeka. So even now I can say I'm still confused, but I see there was nothing wrong ngami.
Yeah.
So le ndawo lobuya kuyo like indawo enjani phela khona ezinye indawo thola ukuthi like there are rumors ukuthi bayaloyana kwenzakala.
Showcase semakhaya lapha.
Ziyakhala.
Yeah, and there are few people aba right nasempilweni.
Is it?
Not nakhona no aba right they ababi right like to the environment mina namanje sengi exposed kuyo or ngibonile abantu ukuthi abantu la emhlabeni ba right.
Oh, you mentioned indaba yesandla semfene. So people who doesn't understand who are lost today, what's that?
Maybe khona beyangenzela phansi. Not really.
Babalansisa phela abanye bazi ukuthi witchcraft. Ngithi yabo.
Not really, but kuba nabantu abakuyenzela phansi, you understand?
Okay. Yeah.
But njengoba ngisho ngithi when I was doing great.
So it started happening like masoku boarding school. It never
No,
happened before.
it happened emakhaya njengoba ngisho. It happened
Okay.
emakhaya. Then I went to boarding school. Boarding school, that's why ngithi ngabe sengizama ukuthi ngibe involved kuma Christian. Because boarding school ebenkuyo there were Bible schools like bekune sonto attendwayo whereby they will deal with you like spiritually. Uzowazi nezinto ezinye understand
So you decided to join those Christianity
Yes,
people
actually,
just because of the things that you went through back home ukuthi you know
yes,
ukuthi
and lapha yakhumbula lesikole besolo siya kuso even noma kunama kudlala lemidlalo besikhempela kuso.
Yes.
And the pastor that is in that school knows me.
is it?
Yes, because I fell and he was the one who prayed for me. So now he recalled the face. Yeah, understand. And when talking now, good to what was happening and what went wrong I started attending the Bible schools. What. I was not even wearing ibrugu anymore.
You
But-
Mengiqala ngigqoka iskate ini nani like yeah, I understand that in that boarding
What
school
type is a 365?
like not ukuthi bengiqepheza in that school ne you choose a life you want.
Is it?
In the
Okay.
school kunama options amahle nama options amabi.
Oh.
You understand? So you
But you get to choose which
yes,
one is aligner now.
Yes. Njengami, so I chose ukuthi okay, let me do this and see what will happen. Let me do this and see what will happen. So for an example, njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngazama ukuthi ngingenele this side of which I saw it it's a good side. Now I attended the Bible what and I
Did
met
it help you?
they really did help
They
me.
really did.
Because even
Did it
those
stop? Did it stop that thing?
yeah, never God isn't as snacks anymore.
Is it not happening now?
No, I pray now.
Pray.
Angitshela
Uthi
uthi
manje.
bosu in a point ukuthi buqoka iskate not ibhuluku bebengalifuna ibhuluku labo
No, most usindisiwe.
Yeah.
You had to be different from others.
From
Ukukhombisa ukuthi wena uphila impilo enjani.
Yeah.
Actually, there was no need for ukuthi sengaqoka ibhruku ngipintshe na because like uphila impilo lo shothi engcwele.
Can you take me to the
Can say
process?
so.
Yeah.
But ibhruku belingekho allowed. I don't know if now they do allow it or what, but belingekho allowed.
yeah ngiyakubuza because kwamanye amasonto vele alivumelekile that's why
Ibhruku ne.
ngibuza.
Yeah. Le mawusindisiwe le boarding school engifuna kulo ibhruku bongaliqoki.
Okay, can you take me back to the process? Uti, you were born again. What was done with you? Like yini? What was the whole entire process? Ukuthi ugcine bakubiza ngokuthi you are born again now.
Yeah.
What happened?
So the pastor that knew me before ngiza e boarding school. So bekasahamba nami nakhaya lakhe attending ichurch lakhe.
Okay.
La akhonza khona hayi esikoleni kuphela. And then bese athena nezinto zebandla like lasesikolweni, I understand being there actually to even share experience yami ukuthi ngikhule yazi bekwenzeka izinto ezisinacks sorry and there were kids ke ebengibona izinto bezenzeka whereby people they told me ukuthi bezenzeka kimi bezenzeka esikoleni lapha uma kuzobhala exam kuba neimvuselelo yonke lento leyo and then abantwana makuyimvuselelo bekwenzeka izinto ezisinacks. Like in sure this is what I was going through because this thing is not nice. It's not nice to be in good bantu baksabe to something you don't even know about.
And you can't recall even anything with what was going on now. It's so painful.
True.
You ask a lot of you get to ask yourself a lot of questions. You could say, exactly, is it me? And ufika to a point where now ungagcine ungafuni ukuba around people because of when they see you, they still see you as that person.
And mina abantu bengibathanda and people bengizonda.
Is it?
Yeah, mina like growing up, especially
You've never been liked at all.
even in boarding school, I can tell you 80% both genders.
How many friends did you have at that school?
Yeah?
At that boarding school, did you have friends?
I did have a friend on my first
How
year.
many?
I did have a friend. That friend sahlukaniswa ukuthi she fell to grade 10 then ngamshiya ngawa grade 11 then the friendship broke. I don't know what exactly broke the friendship. Then we were no longer close. Then when I got to grade 11 I was not having a friend specifically. I was only having a friend Eliasima whereby we'll talk phone kuphela. Then when get to matric I met actually not met bengimazi lo mntwana bekafunda grade 11. Ulungile, yes, Lungile Ngwenya. That person became my best friend. Angazi ngaqeda ngesikolo.
Are you still guys' best friend?
Yes, we are.
Is it?
Even though
are you still guys like talking?
yes, even though like it's been years now, not yes, and
Yeah.
like I think maybe
Because
even
you guys are going
cooler.
through different journey now.
Yeah, maybe like even ukuxoxa kwethu angekusafana before, but the girl became like the best friend engibe nayo e boarding school. Someone obingang understand and someone engiphile nayo for sure. And yes, bebazonda so too.
But okangitshela the process ukuthi what was done with you ukuthi baze bathi you are born again.
Njengoba ngisho ukuthi I started doing izinto ezenziwa abantu abakholwayo.
Oh,
You understand?
Okay.
Then in that way and kwazenzakalela futhi ayizange ngaphuma but kwazenzakalela ukuthi ngazibuyelela empilweni yami but now ngi-attenda ibandla njengoba ngile attenda but now sengi-attenda le nsindiso because esikoleni bengifuna ukuthi bengekho iziyoni
Oh.
bekunale ama-organ vele abantu abasindisiwe.
So you've always liked iZion like from the get-go?
Yeah,
Shuthi when uthi uma ufika lapha e-boarding school vele bosontezayo yona.
yeah.
Yeah, but mayifika iZion akayitholanga lapha yana.
Leyo ukuthi ngama-satanism izayini bengingawi bebasikhulekela izayini you know ukuthi bakukhulekela kabuhlungu kanjani but noma ngishaya ngale mpama ebuhlungu bengingawi.
Shuthi uyafana nalo muntu ozothi mayifika ethaveni uphuze isavana mayifika lapha sekathathe yena again.
Hayi but nje into engayisho nje ukuthi njengoba ngisho ukuthi ugrade 10 kwaba ile process leyo ukuthi ngizama ukufixa my spiritual life.
Yeah, true,
You
true.
understand?
That's why you decided to join Christianity and
Yes.
stuff.
Then grade 11 that is when now bese ngiqala ke sengihamba nalezinto lezi zomhlanga isho ngihambe ke grade 10. Sengihamba izinto zomhlanga nanana.
Ngomhlanga.
Ya ngihloliwe mina khohlo.
Hawu.
Khohlo angihloliwe khohlo.
Une-certificate? Ngithola certificate impela lapha.
Ahloliwe sha.
Una certificate.
Hayibo ngihloliwe mina.
Ziyaphuma certificate lapha.
Yeah, ngithi
And esikoleni yazi esikoleni bekwenzakalani bekubona ukuthi masibuya emhlangeni ungambuyi nebhandi.
Yeah.
ukuthala.
Yanganasa nebhandi lelibhala Royal Wathi you understand? Ukuthi mhlawumbe phela they do make excuses masifika kaNongoma. Kuthi ngisesikhathini ngeke uhambe bamba umhlanga phela ngithi vele
usesikhathini.
kanjani. Izinto bezenzeka lapha besiyibona.
Hayibo musa esikhathini abakhona ukubona
Not really ukuthi abakhona phela kaNongoma abakuhloli.
Oh.
Besiya bekuyiwa go practice wane kuhlolelwa ama semi-final. Kuhlolelwa ama final hlolelwa kusokuthi sokuhlolelwa ukuthi kuyahanjwa.
Oh, baqale bakuhlole before uhamba.
So inkinga ngisho ukuthi mangabe ungasili uhamba emhlangeni sho ukuthi kusuke iqale la uhlolwa khona inkinga. That's why nangabe kutholakala inkinga ngawe lapha kaNongoma kubiza umama okuhlolayo. Because ukuthi inkinga iqale kuye akahlolanga ngani ukuthi awukho right.
Wazwa approve ukuthi ungahamba.
For ungekho right.
So boloku uyohlola for how long nje? And you started when like to join?
Njengoba ngisho ngithi late ka grade 10. Actually nakhona ake ngijoiniswa yini. Ngijoiniswa ukuthi esikoleni this thing lengisikole njengoba ngi-expose emakhala ngibuya khona. This thing yamhlangana nani is not really followed. Ukuthi like umntwana
elandelwa.
Hayi. Kuthi umntwana uyini njani hayi ayikho lento le lapha. Yeah, I understand. So lapha ngaba exposed to environment ukuthi they are focused ke. Umhlanga.
You were lucky invited to be in this school. In fact, it seems like it's a lot of things that happened to you just because of you were in that school. Like like the things that you are saying, like you were very privileged to go back to school. Listen, anyone would be lucky to be in that school.
But it was not easy.
Yeah, but uFlorence sachaza ngepoint lomhlanga. Sicela usichazele yini kwenze wajoyina because busachaza lapha.
Nalokuthi esikoleni ne lento leyo yokuhamba umhlanga like into eyokuthi vele iyahanjwa. You understand? So mawuzosala kuzobonakala ukuthi wena vele like wena shoes usitoti. So mina nawe ngikuthi hayi ayikho into ebhede ngiyenzile but ekuleni kwami so manje kangisevigin kanjani ngoba phela ngilalanga namuntu. Then ngingahamba umhlanga and it was very scary ne. I was even shaking my first time ngiyohlola because for line lapha already paint lakho usubambe ngesandla. You understand? And for line ukuthi ngena lapha kule room lapha yakunalabo gogo bahleli phansi kanje. Ngingandlela I was shaking. Angithi the first time angazi kwenza ngalani but like lento le ngiyayifuna because ngiyazazi ukuthi angibhedanga. Yayibona enjalo. Then after banqeda ukungihlola ngabona there's nothing to be scared about. You understand? And then ngathanda the environment. Kuba mnandi lapha even if ungasasi virgin inhliziyo ibabhlungu when kwenzeka izinto lezi. Even now when watching ama video wamajiji I'm like this environment guys
It's nice, eh?
Yeah, that's why it's very difficult for umntwana ukuthi uyilandelele lento le bese makasayekile kuba bhlungu kangakanani even nakuma parents. Because your parents waste money, not wasting money, but they invest money in those things. When uthenga le uhlalo obusha kuhamba ama camp kuyiwa ini
Funeka imali zonke.
You understand? Yeah. Kwenzeka izinto eziningi but mina I was very lucky because even noma sengiluza virginity bami vele angithi at my home they were not following that. So it was not a big deal.
Okay.
It was not a big deal. Because ngazikhethela umama nje wamangala nje ngihamba umhlanga then she was also happy ukuthi umntana wami hayi
wabona masoyekile ukuthi hayi lo akasawamhlaka mase kona.
No, my mom like did tell ukuthi sekuphelile ngami. Not even going ukuthi umhlanga what. My mom like ubona izinto closely.
Yeah,
You understand? Ungibonile ukuthi sengiyaphapha manje. Ubonile ukuthi okay manje sokunjani. Yeah.
Sekuhamba nezinye izinto lo sohamba namadoda.
And she was very open, and I was lucky to even have sister kamamam, the last born yaka gokwami. Yeah,
umama
Kumamami we are 5, kuphila 4. Yes.
Okay. Kuphila 4. Oh, one died.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Abafana, amantombazana.
Yeah. We 3 boys, 2 girls. Then now we are 2 boys, 2 girls.
Are you the older one?
Yes, I'm the firstborn. Can't you see? I'm the firstborn. I'm the firstborn. I'm the teenage pregnant.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm the firstborn.
Teenage pregnant. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going back to the story of you staying with your dad. Yes. What you said? You came to Joburg. Wahlala no baba, and then you explained it's okay. Your mom was not able to provide the things that she was supposed to at that time, and then you decided to go and stay with your dad, Ankit. And then how did your dad, as much as you could not go home, ukusize ngani ko babakho sowuhleli naye ke manje babakho wenzeni for you that you would say these are the things that very that I was hoping for him ukuthi angenzele zona or what so not.
So istory saka baba mina nami baba me like left home dala. You understand?
Oh, okay.
I don't know ukuthi benginangakho unyaka, but I think ibengise crash.
Okay.
Ne? So ubaba like sibe sonke. Actually, I looked for my father, or I forced myself to my father before I went to boarding school. Fast forward, when I was...
Why do you say you forced yourself to your father?
He was not looking for me.
Oh.
I was the one looking for him.
Yeah.
But he knew about me. Because mina ngumntana odumile nokuthi ngumntana kabani kanjani. Ukuthi umama nobaba mi they were a couple. Yaziwayo. And they even stayed together.
Popular couple.
Yeah, they even indawo ethi incane kakhulu emakhaya la ngibuya khona. They even stayed together noma sengizaliwe. You understand? Then kwenzeka lokwenzeka ofishi mina ngiyumntwana and ayingeni lapho. Yeah, I understand.
Okay.
Then they see their way apart. Oh. So now mangilokhu ngimfuna ubaba ukuthi ukuphi kanjani. Then ifamily yakhe ubaba bami beyiduzane nami, ne? So umkhulu kababa I was very close nomkhulu kababa. You understand? Whereby ngize ngahlala naye.
Okay.
Yeah, because the situation ekhaya bengekho right. Hence umama mina bekazizamela impilo yakhe kanjani njengoba I'm the firstborn, and obviously my angisobaba oyi-1 nabantwana babanye baka mama. So mama if uzohlala nomuntu nobaba wabantwana bakhe, then I can't ukuthi always ngijumpe naye, and the situation was very bad because environment ebenguyo nomama was not okay at all. It was not favoring us. So ngahlala nomkhulu wami. Lo umkhulu kababami which ukhokho wami. Yes. So shoot mangise boarding school tried to ukuthi ubaba msengimtholile umkhulu wakhe usungizamile ukuthi sibe ne communication. Kwayenzeka umkhulu wami washona when I was doing grade 10 ngeFebruary that year. So that's where ubaba mingazi ngakwazi ukuthi ngimbonele duzane after isikhathi eside. Ngimbonele duzane and came sekashadile already. You understand?
And how was the financial status of your dad? Like, was because obviously you can't just look for someone. No,
it is not about money. Mina the thing ukhokho wami ube bishop ne.
Okay.
Yeah, ibandla elikhulu nje laziwayo nje leziyoni. Bathi
amaKristu. Oh.
Impumalanga liyaziwa. Bekuyibandla elikhulu just ukuthi angazi kwenza ngaleni naqeda ukufa because like there's a lot happening now.
La hlukana.
Yeah. Like laba what because nomntana kwavula ibandla you understand. Yeah, after ukufa kwakhe vele there's a lot that happened in ibandla like but okay it's fine. So umkhulu wami bekana lento leyo ukuthi even if ubaba kho angaba yisidakwa or in doesn't change the fact ukuthi ubabakho. And then I had the thing yokungifaka engqondweni yami ukuthi ubabakho uNkulunkulu wakho wasemhlabeni. So growing up with that thing yokuthi ubabami uNkulunkulu wami wasemhlabeni.
Yes.
Even noma ngaba apeda kangakanani ubabami. And ama blessing are serious engiwafunayo. Ngwathola through ubabami since uNkulunkulu wami wasemhlabeni, not ukuthi umama makasilutho. But that's why wathi ke namanje umntwana usebenzisa isibongo sakabani akayenza leyo yonke into kahle sakababa. Noma ngabe iBhayibheli liqala likhuluma alikasilahlonipha unyoko noyihlo, lihlonipha uyihlo nonyoko. So everything start ngobaba. Yeah, understand. So umkhulu kababa we had that thing yoku always fitting the information ukuthi noma kungayenza kalani ubaba. So ukufuna ukuba duzana nobaba was not about ukuthi unemali akanamali unjani and enye into ukuthi isituation ebengikuyo being forced vele ukuthi baba ngimfune, because it was not nice. It was not nice seeing my mom being abused in front of me. It was not nice seeing other men taking advantage of my mom.
Yes.
You understand? It was not nice growing in that environment. It was not nice ukuzula emakhaya abantu uhlala. You understand? So that's why baba ngimfuna, because I thought in my mind ukuthi yazi kube ubaba mukhona ukube lokho awuyenzeki. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
That's why you never liked to stay there. Is it one of the reasons why you never liked to stay there?
When I said to you at first, when you said getting a privilege to get mhlambe ukuthi ngikwazi ukufunda e boarding school, I said to you it was God timing. You understand? So uNkulunkulu wangikhipha kule environment ebhedayo.
Yes, it's toxic.
You understand? Because yeah, I understand. So ngakwazi ukuthi ngamove la even environment normally I expose my disadvantaged background, but it was better than being seeing isn't as better, like always seeing mama ko asebhlungwini. Yeah, understand.
It's not nice.
And you can't even fight back.
You can't even do anything.
It's not nice.
You understand? End of the day lo muntu ono uyokuthengela impuphu ukuthi udle. You understand? Yena lo wenza ukuthi wena ungajabuli. You understand? So that's why I said God's timing. So no baba bengimdingela for such, and no mama allowed me ukuthi ngisuke because knew the trauma ngisho ukuthi asifake kuyo ezabantwana bakhe. You understand?
But did she try like to arrest the abusive stepfather or?
No, a lot happened. As you know, ukuthi uma kuma relationship and you can't even take a decision for your parent. End of the day ngumntana wakhe, even though if I can see the wrong side of her, but ngumntana wakhe lokho angimelanga
decision yakhe.
Yeah, I understand. But the things happened and then bebathandana labantu.
Yeah.
I will say so. Bebethandana and everything was cool. But being a simnant environment. That guy, like he even made my younger brother who say, when I grow up, I want to buy a guy and kill this man.
Oh.
You understand? So it was something like that. It was very bad because we even ran.
Yeah, it was really bad.
Emakhaya sibalekela umuntu ola.
It was bad. It was
You
honestly
understand?
bad.
Yeah.
Ebeshayela ukubulala that guy. You understand? And shela into engekho. Will knock at the door. Usilele awuvula umnyango ubuya kodakwa. Usay kunendoda phakathi la.
Oh.
Just beat my mom.
Yini wena isikhwele or something.
Isikhwele esinjani esinjalo?
Yeah.
You understand? So it was very, very bad. What? And that even pushed me. Gusi, as in, even among sesikolweni, I don't have gusi ngenze izinto ezi-snacks. Umama wami like will always say gusi, enhluphekweni nasesimeni enkuso empilweni ngizokhishwa kuwe.
Nice.
You understand?
Yeah.
Ngilana noma
Those were
singabuyela.
heavyweights,
You
yeah.
understand? Umama mathi noma singabuyela ekhaya, asho ekhaya kubo. Ayikho into ezoba better because like noma sibuyela ekhaya kubo, situation is bad. Whereby isho ukuthi khona ozolala ekitchen, khona understand like and sibaningi already. And nayisozoba umthwalo kubantu abangananix. You get what I'm saying? So ukufuna ubaba, it was not about what na. Then mina that's why nakhona ngize ngicine sengihlala nakamkhulu because the situation vele beyivele bad. Yeah, understand? So coming this side of Johannesburg, njengoba ngisho ukuthi baba ngihlangana naye already bekasa nomfazi, should be asashadile sekane family entsha, you understand? So coming this side, it was very like it was like the perfect decision that my father made for me. Because mina already thought get Joburg, knowing nobody, you understand? So I will say it was the best decision my father took for me. ukuthi iza ngapha ukuthi ngize eJozi, you understand, because I'm here where I am today because my father called
Because
me
of that opportunity that
because
you got.
of ubaba mo wacabanga ukuthi umntanami ageze la. You understand? So even though if I came la eGoli and the situation beyingekho ngalendlela mina mhlawumbe noma nobabami esifise ukuthi ibe ngakhona, because the main reason was ukuthi ubabami wantshela ukuthi kumele wazana nabo sisi bakho. You understand? You have to get to know your mom.
Yeah.
Yayibona into
And he
enjalo.
was right.
Dala usekudeni nami kumele si connect. And then my father will tell me ukuthi angase ngayeka ukukuthanda. I was young, things happened, and then and he's even the one owangithengela i-dress le-matric dance. Wow. You understand? So like uyelo wathi nakabuya wakhombisa ukuthi I'm back. Okay, so noma ngingazi ngisho ukuthi he was bad or he was perfect or what, at the end of the day he's a human being. So growing up it was not nice njengoba ngisho. Yabona, including i-situation engikhule ngisemncane kakhulu, including nokuthi boarding school afika khona i-disadvantaged background yami was exposed, whereby even like uzophathwa kaba abantwana because awuna nix. I mean, I know ibully engekho straight, mara uyibona ukuthi this one it's bullying. You understand? Like I know pain yokuthi you have to stay eBoarding school ungayikhaya kini ungayiko fashion because there's no money ukuthi ungasuka uye ekhaya. We have to stay until ikolo ivula. That's where by abothisha abangibonile because bengiphasa esikoleni mina I went to that boarding school kwaze waphela unyaka kwaze waphela ngaze afika kwa-matric ngaqeda umatric lokungiphuma ku-top 10. You understand? With that situation ezenzakalayo, trying nasesikoleni ukudayisa ama-snacks nganani ibhizinisi lingavumi livume, trying ukudayisa i-dog sweet ibhizinisi livume lingavumi. You understand? Because that thing was not even allowed, but I was doing because bengananix. You understand?
Ubani lapha kwi-boarding school?
Bengabhadali.
It was sponsored.
Bengabhadali, not sponsored. That boarding school like it's not like sponsor what, but mina I was given a chance whereby ukuthi bengidlala i-sport. Utisha wabona talent game, then told me about this. Then
But
then
who was
I was
paying
called.
for you? Was it a government
Nothing.
boarding school?
Yeah.
Oh,
It was more.
it's
It's more like the everything that was needed was sorted for me.
Oh.
Because even a
But
uniform,
who paid
I got
for that? Like who? What I'm trying to understand, ubani obhadalele all those things like food, your books. You see, because the
Remember,
boarding
I mean, I
school, what
was-
we normally know, if you talk about a boarding school, we know it's obviously like they need to buy you books and all of that and etc. You see, so who was responsible for that? Kahle?
No, I was not paying anything, man.
And you never paid even a cent.
I never paid even a cent. The thing that I was paying was the thing that I needed for
'Cause
my
you say-
personal use. Because, for an example, even when going there, good see Agoma camp, remember I was selected by Transnet. I was not paying anything. You understand? And then, that's why it was God timing. Mom had nothing, even though even she was willing, but had nothing. You understand? Yes, igranti bengihola whatsoever, but bekungafiki la kumele kufinyelele khona. She was trying. You understand? I remember even the day when we were transport kuyiJanuary ukuthi ngesikolweni ngiyoqala lapha eBoarding school. It was very hard for umama, even went to Mashonis. You understand?
That's
Because
how bad was it?
because ubonile ukuthi umntanami aphume kule ilo situation le yami lengikuyo. You understand? My mom trusted me. My mom trusted me. Like ungithembe nokuthi ngibe sekudeni naye. Ngizokhona ukumamela izinto zakhe ayishilo kimi.
Wow.
You understand? So going back to a point whereby ubabami ngimfune kuba kanjani? Ubabami ngimfune because ubabami and bengimdinga as ubabami.
Yeah.
You understand?
Regardless ukuthi udinga imali and all of that, just ukuthi abe khona nje as a present father.
Yes, because iziningi izinto bengeke zenza ukube bekakhona awubaba kimi. You understand? Ukuye ekhaya it was bad. Ngabona ngaqala lapho ngaphuza kakhulu.
Waphuza?
Ya ngaphuza kakhulu.
Wena lo?
Yo, I mean phuza.
Hey bana.
People didn't know what was happening. My mom knew.
So when what
So,
were you going through? When uphuza?
Nothing dropped out kokuqala. The situation was not bad. It was not good. understand ikhaya yikho into engizoyenza than ukudraya nelanga.
Nelanga so ma sobona ukuthi le
uboneminyaka emingaki ngaleso sikhathi uqala ukuphuza
Habe ngimncane yo.
bese uqeda nesikole mfethu sazibiza ukuthi umncane.
Okay, bengiqedile isikole fine, but bengisesemncane still needing i-guidance yama parents.
Yeah, that's what you
But
can
the
say.
situation, because it was all like bese ngine hope yokuthi ngithola ikhaya li right nana then yaphela emoyeni.
Phela yes. Oh.
Yeah, I understand.
So would you say you went through a depression nje?
No, it was not depression sifo sabelungu.
Isifo sabelungu thina abantu abamnyama sesiphathi.
It was not it was just a trial
Okay.
by maybe God was testing.
Oh.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay.
So then came back to my senses whereby my mom will remind me, would say, mina to everything enguyo elifini, you are the one ozongkhipha kuyo. Ne? So you need to do better. Go back to school. We tried to apply ke manje ekolweni nanana. Then fast forward, I went to Durban.
Oh.
Ne? I stayed there with umalume kama mom.
Okay.
It's not nice to be in a family a house while you won't even contribute with anything. My mom didn't have money phela yokuthi mhlambe angathi na imali yesinkwa ngathi sibaya sengumthwalo wabi, you understand. Then me and my mom, we felt like the situation was too much.
So apply back approve ukuthi uzofunda in which school there in Durban? Kusiphi isikolo lapha eDurban?
I was not accepted as yet, but nganga acceptwa mina before ngihlala before the situation yakababami ngaya eUnizulu, then I didn't go there.
Oh.
Ne. Yeah, Ongoy.
Okay.
Unizulu, yeah, this University of Zululand. Yes. Then when I went there, trying ukuthi sengiya approach ama college nanani lapha ya. Mama mabone ukuthi the situation was overwhelming, yabona.
Okay.
So we talk and I said to her, Yazin, ngibone a message from the previous college ebenguye kulo. They can still take me. I'm still communicating with one of the lecturers. He's saying I can come back. My NFS can be fixed. So now I need money from Durban to Josie. Mom, at Josie there's life. Here it's quiet. Tegwin is quiet when.
It's quiet.
Tegwin is nice to go there for vacation. Not to stay there.
Not to stay there. Or to go in. But people go there and study most of it.
Yeah, they do, who are more focused on studying. I needed imfundo, ngapha I needed money. You understand? So what was two things that I needed at the same time, sorry. So I had to come back this side, Johannesburg. Then now I'm coming back with no one's support, with no shelter, with no money.
Uyithatha phi imali ukuze Josie?
My mom made a plan.
Oh wow. So mofika lana you have no shelter, you don't have anything.
Mangifika namabhek wami. Ngithatha itaxi ngabuza. Itaxi eDavidton uyithatha uthola kuphi?
eDavidton uzohlala nobani eDavidton?
Phela sho ukuthi phela I was told ukuthi there's no campus phela vele angithi vele kumele uye emqashweni. I don't even have that money emqasho. Angisana any change esalile for transport yokuze Goli. So even buy ikota le. Yeah, I understand. So I had to come this side ngeza, and then with my bags I went all over Davidton looking indawo yokuhlala because
unganamali yokurenta lapho
singinaso vele. Just the only thing angithi bengifunda khona.
Oh.
Yeah, vele bengivele ngifunda eDavidton. I was traveling from ending kabamami to Davidton.
Oh.
But
your dad vele bekahlala eDavidton even?
No, my dad never stayed in Davidton. So I was traveling from KwaThema to Davidton.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, the school was at Davidton.
Yeah.
Oh, the college.
Yeah.
Okay.
So ngayithola indawo lakhe.
Oh.
And mangithola ngayithola to someone. Juthi it was also God.
Oh.
Ngayithola ku someone whereby ngafika lapha ngamgoqa ngamtshela ukuthi uma mama imali uzoyifaka late. Kaso I have nothing. Ngineyikhwama. I was transparent in a way ukuthi uyangibona ukuthi ngiyayihluphekela. I need a place to stay ngifuna ukufunda. And mama uzoyifaka imali late. That was the statement mina engasisho. And ngithola ukuthi the guy ukuthi wangibona ngendlela ngibona ngakhona or naye mhlawumbe bekumandla kaNkulunkulu or ini allowed me ukuthi ngingene eroomini. Bekune bed lapha ya. officially uthole iroom li empty but mina banginikeza ibed nongabe ngilala ngizwe ngathi bebangishaya mangivuka
Ubhedo njani
Iskebe.
Iskebe. But it was cool for the situation because like you had nothing. Otherwise, uzolala phansi.
Yeah.
You understand? Then after lokho kusasa ngageza ngayesikolweni ngaqala ke ngaregister nanani everything was cool was fine and as fast yami beyifixed nanani ngaqala ke ngafunda njengabonke abantwana. Angibuya I had to create another story. Umastani ngizomtshela ukuthini.
Yeah, because you told him ukuthi imali bazoyifaka ntambama.
Hayi bese ngidayeka ke. Ngambona ngiyaslow down, achieved ngithola ungena. It was like that. It was like that. I think I stayed there not paying like for 3 months or more.
Hey bana. Ekiyeka nje naye.
Creating stories. Bekasala.
Akathela.
Ngami.
Oxosha.
Yo bekasala ngami. That's
And now lapho it's like imali vele awunayo. Uyafisa ukumbhadala.
No, into ukuthi mangifona so I'm giving my mom stress esikhulu esinye.
Yeah.
So no situation esekhaya ukuthi she's even trying ukuthi ekhaya at least kube nesinkwa. Mina ngapha ngibhizi ngama rent. And like she was also shocked because I-rent and at that time I had to pay 800 rand. 800 rand was a lot. Was a lot. It was a lot for my mom. It was a lot. You understand? And now anginamuntu omunye. Had to make a plan myself. I-plan ukuthi i-NSFAS yathi mayingena. I looked for something that I can do.
Like what?
Ngaqala mina bengithengisa impahla zaseJozi to people. I could go to small street stock then thole profit. Ngaqala nami ngayithengela ama 2 plate.
So were you making money from selling clothes?
Yeah, mara bebangibhadari yo.
Yeah, because people are very stressful.
Yeah,
Hence I'm
bebangibhadari,
asking, abantu bazothatha impahla mase kumele babhadale. It's stories as much as now you're
Ayo.
giving the landlord the stories.
Bebangibhadari.
It's just the saying.
Yeah, bebangibhadari. And like, it was funny, ne? It was really funny. Then I had this classmate of mine, ne? Ebahlala phethe this ibhadla le shake eba life in and I mean and by that time ngislenda. Yabo. Angikhoslenda ngundile.
Uzacile.
You understand? So mangilok ngimbona la ibhadla like ay ngimbuza nganye ilanga. Usigore intombazane le.
Yebo.
Ay ngithi mina. Ehlazini but like simazi even punishment ebaba khona bangathi choose what we choose push-ups like 1 2 3 4 done. This lady is very fit yo. Hayi mina ngifuna ukuba njengaye.
Okay.
Hayi manje la khambeni ka so. Wangitshela ukuthi la kunemali la no inini ama millionaires what. Hayi ngafuna ngathi kudingakala ini. Hathi ngingathatha shema imali ye rent futhi.
Awumbhadala uma stand.
Angibhadala ngima-stand.
Yo.
Ngathatha imali ye rent.
For free wena nje.
Ngihlala for free, ngihlala kabuhlungu. Noma kumele esikolweni we have to book i-situation iqala ngaphandle ukuthi
The coast is
ukhona
clear
na.
now.
Then it's
Yeah, when you check your coast.
yeah. Then ngamnikeza imali lena ngathola the membership pack ye-Herbalife. And that is when izinto zami zaqala zavuleka.
Is it?
And that is when I met my husband.
Oh, yebana. Yebana.
And
You didn't even want to meet a boyfriend when you meet a husband from the get-go. Hey, my daughter.
yeah, the guy was clear.
Is it? Oh.
The guy was clear. The guy approached me like,
So
I
you
want a wife.
Wow.
The guy was clear.
So you are married now.
Not married, mara banglobola.
Taken.
Yeah, I mean, my mama was eating inkomo zami.
What's it?
How? Mina banglobola. But whom?
Bafethu.
Banglobola mina. Yeah, 2021, 18 December. Yeah.
So your life, would you say it changed like from then ever since you've been making waves ever since then?
Because masengi ku-Herbalife, that's when I started to make a profit. I was on pusher. I even changed in the way bengihlala kuyo, affording in the way better. Whereby I think I was paying 1 point something there. And then
How must end up some padali imali yakhe?
no,
yonke le
bengisenge
nyanga?
ngibhadalile. Angithi lapho bese kuna someone also.
Yeah.
Because even to the boyfriend I was transparent. Ukuthi I have
So i-boyfriend
nothing.
ifika nje yena this guy
Ufika
ufika
nje-
vele nje is financially stable, it covers everything that you need.
Not really covers everything. But uga ufika empilweni yami, mina I had nothing.
Oh,
Zero.
zero.
Yeah. And the first time meeting the guy, I asked him, "Do you have money?"
Hayibo.
He said yes. Then I said I want imali manje. What's how
So
much?
so if buthola umuntu ozoba like no, I don't have money. Bozothini? Mhlambe test or something efuna ukubona ukuthi how
No, bengizomenzani by that
thinking
time.
capacity?
Ngiyahlupheka like bengizomenzani
How?
nomuntu like.
So ufuna umuntu onemali.
Wena nje.
Yeah, to cover the situation.
Waya straight to the point. Ufuna imali.
Not really good thing ngifuna imali. But that time maybe I can say I was playing, you know, bengisjokela, but not too good being joker, really joking. But also I needed the money. I was joking at the same time I needed the money really for sure. You understand? And I was trying to even push the guy away.
Oh.
You understand? Because the guy I met him
So
kulezi
manje
zinto lezi-
wakhipha uguy.
Yeah, kulezi zinto lezi zabo ama Good Friday bokudlala ibhola lema tournament ama Good Friday lawo. Yeah. I was wearing like lama short lawa bo fuck me about this one ivezi isinqi kancane la ngemuva.
Yeah. Baba
Yeah,
mzani fuck me.
Yeah, they're calling them fuck me.
Manje ngibone lokho vele.
No, I don't know. I don't know.
Uyabona ishort yamtshela ukuthi no, you can get
I don't know ukuthi bekabone ini.
Yeah.
Because the guy was landela. Okay, beyangasilandeli per se. Bengihamba nomngane wami ne.
Yeah.
Na lady, this a baby girl. Yeah, bengihamba nomngane wami. Like uguy loyo wasi like wayele wasilandela abuza ukuthi angathola kuphi dash bebaphethe ibhodlela I think nomngane wakhe and they were dirty these people. Like bangolile like you understand ngathi no basebenza or bakha or in but they were dirty. So makasibuza snacks vele you understand la ukudla obungcola lapha yo snacks vele ungana vele yo ayo shem bangihama ukhafa ukuthi bani ngamakhapha laba yo shem like so uhlebile like already sesi off vele basinaka si off.
Yeah.
Okay basilandela siyabatshela ukuthi ayilangela khona bayithenga isitshwala I'm not sure ukuthi ucondash or njani asamso checkana bayilapha afika lapha shothi ba check singene sisageza sasiprepare phela sekuba late weekend how we have to go somewhere abantwana base college siqala ukuba segoli freedom no parents you understand hayi masiphuma sex makeup no makeup isikhathi eside kanje uguy uhleli ngaphandle solo lapha kwa stand wami hey bana and then wena ngicela inamba yakho ngicela ukukhuluma nawe awusafuni dash mase ufuna inamba ngona vela nyanye vela besnacks vela uthi hayi nabo ngqoni like inse no okay mina uguy angibuze ukuthi ngiqashelana njani ngiyafunda or nani ngoba uyabona ugcwele ama student ngithi ngifunda njani eyazi ngisijahile thina sihamba ngicela inamba yakhe ngithi una imali athi ya ngizoke ngiphi 1000.
Serious?
He did that.
He did?
Yeah.
Oh.
Same time he did that.
Same time.
So bephethe 1000.
Ukushangana bekaphethe 1000 noma ukushanga transfer.
No, like wangikhiphela kulimali bekayiphethe wangikhiphela ama 200 out 5.
Yeah, sengisho shothi ukushanga cash.
Yeah, and gave me. You understand?
So now I'm kanjalo.
And in my mind I'm like, yo, this is so much money. And like it's my first time getting such from a guy. I'm like, I get the jackpot mo. Then
uthini umngane wakho mebona
akaboni ukuthi banginikeza imali mina yabo. So nyanyile songishilo ukuthi ngibhizi ngikhuluma labantu abangcolile la. You understand? Mina ngimnikeza inamba yami. That's how you got my number.
Obviously vele seka impressive vethe aka 1000.
And mina ngcono nami singakhalculate. I'm having my own needs.
Hey bana.
You understand? I was not searching for a relationship. Make no mistake. I was there to study, to make my mom proud. I was there to study. After studying, getting a job. Yeah. Then lungsekaya, niku mama mpile sharp. Abantwana basekaya inte sharp. I was not there because first thing first, I didn't want to get pregnant. And first thing first, like any into bekhona emqondweni yami ukuthi I didn't want to feel any pain yokuzwa umjolo obuhlungu ngapha nginama pain for ukulungisa ekhaya ngapha nginama pain wama rent wayini isimpilo yami it's inhlangahlangene ngapha umjolo. I was not searching. So and mana lapho bengu relationship, not ukuthi relationship is stable but bengu relationship.
So unikeza this guy for how long?
Wanginikeza le mali leyo. Manginikeza le mali leyo fast forward. Started calling, I'm ignoring and then when I had issues, ngizomfonela.
Oh. So
akabona ukuthi this person who here for imali.
Not specifically because I was there for imali. Remember mina situation led me to be there for imali.
Yeah, because mose qala kufonela ignore but
benganyanyisa ngithi ngoba phela angisho bengekho kuyi. Yeah, bengekho lapha. I was not kuba relationship state whereby ngizothi ngimele ngibe nomuntu nana like ngimjida nje benginyanyisa. You understand? Like I was not there. Yeah, but I was in a relationship. Na con relationship yakho like bengiboreka, you understand? But I was having someone that was
so there was never a time where you felt like I need to be
no, I was focused ukuthi like mina kuqala manje anginamali.
Focus ngendlela ukuthi even in sex awayenze.
Ngithi mina manje inkinga shothi ungana inkinga. Ucabanga ne sex uninkinga.
Okay.
Like on a serious note, like my mind was all over whereby like how can I get money?
Yeah.
You were that focused.
Yeah.
Not like mangifone ekhaya noma uyakhala kana gisi.
Yo.
Nami ngifuna ukukhala ngisakhona ukukhala.
Yo.
Uyanga understand? Isituation ebayi ukuthi ngiphila kabuhlungu nala chatini angikhokhi kahle nemali.
Yeah.
You understand? Ngabe ngithatha imali ngithenga ama shake engazi nokuthi ayenziwa kanjani. Sengimele ngiyabantshela ukuthi ngama gym ini nginamali ne gym. Sengimele ngihereza nale mali e gym because bathi ama customer ngizothola i gym ini.
Oh, Herbal Life.
You understand? So like kuningi wena usucabanga umalalana. Ay, hlupheki mosi.
Awuhlupheki.
There's no way awuphila kamnandi. Wena ucabanga ukujabula nje. Uphila kamnandi.
Nemizwa ayikho lapho, ayibibikho.
You understand? Like I was not there. So the guy nje mina ngiyamcabanga ukuthi this person uzonginikeza.
So bekakuphi imali like every time you ask for it?
Yeah. He was not disappointing.
What is the highest amount that you got from him, just specifically like from him?
I'm not saying like I got the highest amount from him, what, because he ended up even opening a savings work using my account.
Oh.
And then I end up using that money.
Oh, damn it. And can you estimate at least how much was it?
15K plus.
Oh, 15K plus.
Kanti wenzani umjida? Usebenza yini?
No, but at that time we was an artisan going in mine.
Oh, I'm artisan vela hola.
Yeah, going in mine khona lapha around. So ngathini lokho bengilokhu ngimdinga mangabe nginenkinga. There was a time whereby bese ngihlukene nalo muntu libeka khona. And now at least izinto zami ziba sorted nyana. You understand? I then said, let me give the guy a chance.
Oh.
Why not? Like ezinye izinto zami ziyabalance because he is here. Let me hear him out. Yo, abangani bami. Yo. Ajinja wena manje ubusy nani vela ngisho sahlangana naye ngolile. With the guy ungolile in.
So tell me, because now you said the guy, obviously, if the guy can give you like 1,000 rand, just like that, obviously, as much as we should be artisan and stuff like that. But I remember when you were a student at the time, like, is he older than you, or like you guys are in the same age? What's going on?
No, he was older.
Is it?
Yeah, it was older. I don't do small boys.
You don't do small boys. You don't do small boys. Why? I'm not okay. I'm fine nami nje mfethu.
Soze.
What?
No. For an example, by that time mina sengi ready for ukuthi ngaba ku relationship. I was having a lot. It's okay or someone at my age wouldn't even be good at that space.
Yeah, true.
Actually, I was gonna overwhelm that partner or bengizobhora nengondo yabantu abadala manje wena you have a lot of responsibilities. You understand? Ucalo cabanga nokulungisa ekhaya inini, we have to vibe. What you understand?
Yes, you must go to the clubs.
You understand?
Enjoy life. Smoke hobby. Do all these naughty stuff.
Yeah, so low busy like I was gonna be boring. You understand? So luckily the guy like I was.
So now would you say it's God's timing? Obviously, when I keep on saying it's God's timing,
yeah,
everything.
Yeah, isn't la kumele zenzeke khona.
Yeah.
But I went through hardship first.
Is
Then
it?
bese ziyenzeka.
Oh.
Yeah, mhlawumbe amandla lawo suka mhlawumbe sekuyisikhathi ukuthi okay now it's enough.
So even now you don't do small boys. You took that mandate like from
Not-
then
not
till
the-
now.
I can't.
You don't.
I-
No, don't say you can't.
No.
You can't or you don't.
I can't. I don't.
So okay, ukushiya how many years?
Is that important?
I think it is ladies the first because we even had a guest tonight ushili ukuthi hayi ufuna someone old manje ayokhathela ama 2K I'm stressed too much I'm
Nangaphandle kwalokho like ngizobekisa ngesituation akayi. You understand okay ngabe singimnikeza i-chance i-first date ethu. Besise clubbing ne. And then masise clubbing whereby waba straight game. Mfethu.
I need a wife.
Nomsebenzi stable. The income is stable. I don't have a house. I don't have a car. I don't have a wife. I don't have a girlfriend. Like you understand? Lezi is unbelievable. Ukuthi uzothola umuntu writing income yakhe na. I need someone also ready for building nami. I need someone who's ready for starting from scratch nami. Sorry. Like he was specific. Umamami khona nabantwana nabantwana basekhaya bangaka the last born unangaki. So meaning that's the child I have, the last born yasekhaya. Because the guy like ufike kimvela nganamntwana. You understand?
Okay, fast forward. Did you manage to complete to study like a college electrical engineering?
No, like I couldn't.
Again?
I couldn't.
Again?
Guys, wait, like
No, again.
yeah.
Then uthi mawucabanga umalalana ukusho uthi you are not
Phela lapho I
serious.
started to make money.
Oh, so now you saw ukuthi I even did schooling ngathi it's taking too long.
The school was okay. Let me not use the word wasting my time. I don't know what I will say, but the school was actually limiting me to do more.
Is it?
Yes, because when after dropouting that time, I had time to do more for myself, for my family.
Yeah.
Now I had a time to hustle harder than cutting schooling.
Is it where
Yeah.
Miss Tin Davidson came?
No, Miss Tin Davidson came when everything dropped out. Chile. Miss Tin Davidson came where like personal mindset was up there.
Which came first, Miss Tin Davidson and with your own products? Which came first?
Miss Tin Davidson came first.
Okay, let's start
Okay.
there. Okay, how did you start like to make these events and where did you get the mindset? Because you know what, let me start like a pageant and stuff. Where did you get that idea?
All right. So this thing, the pageant name. Being a model was always a dream.
Oh,
Yes,
for you also.
Yes, was also a dream being a model.
Okay.
And then I couldn't get a chance because I was body shaming myself a lot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was judging myself actually. Me now I will judge myself before people judge me. You understand? So I was very skinny, shapeless. And that is where even I got interested in Herbalife because the body shaming thing was there.
Was there?
You understand?
The body shaping
And
thing.
then I tried at a boarding school to open something like the Miss What.
Okay.
And then it failed.
It failed. Okay.
I won't say it failed. It didn't, like, because I was saving a lot. I was doing metric.
Oh.
Yeah. And then I had to focus on my studies and that's I did this and this and this. So 2022, I had this guy, of which I'm calling him my mentor.
Okay. Oh, you got
So-
a mentor. Wow. Yeah, but now, yeah.
Listen to me. I got this guy, of which I'm calling him my mentor.
Oh, listen.
Because a lot of things that I've achieved, a lot of things that I'm doing, it's things that have been approved by him, or things that he helped me to make those things happen, or to come true. So it was at a time whereby we were talking. I said to him, I want to host a Miss Davidson. Like I want to host a Miss Davidson.
Out of all places, choosing it Davidson.
I started there.
Oh.
I was living there
Okay.
That's where my life was. I can say my Gauteng life is in Davidton. Because ngiye esikoleni laphayana, customer base laphayana, yonke into yami lahle iqale laphaya, nokuvuleka amehlo, even the Herbalife thing iqale laphaya.
Iqale nini le Miss Davidson?
2022.
Oh.
When I had the idea, I pop it out to this guy. Ne?
Okay.
I'm having this idea, and I said, then the guy said, when you want to do something like an event, you need to have a proper planning. If you want to do it now it's close to year end. It's impossible.
Okay.
So I believe impossible itself says I'm possible. So you can't tell me that I go impossible. So I will push until it's possible. So I'm like to him, okay. Then after the call, I'm like to myself, I'm doing this. I'm gonna look for kids.
Okay.
Then I started searching. I got information that there's someone hosting Miss Davidton. Then I have to come up with now a new name, because I can't host someone sprained. So now I searched and find out there's no Miss Tin Davidton. I'm like, good shot.
Good shot.
I'm gonna be dealing with people that they will be looking up to me, and then making a decision, and I will be sharing my story, how I grew up and how I got here. So inspiring has been always a nice thing for me. Guti inspire other people. It's been a passion for Guti inspire. So ngayicala kanjalo, mangicala look for kids. Fast forward, yonke into yami yaba right. Ngabuyela kuye. I have the kids. I have the modeling coach.
Before the year ends.
Yeah.
Yebana.
I have the venue for the event. I know what is needed. I've chosen the outfit that they will be wearing. They have to have sequences. I've now searched everything. And bear in mind that the mindset I was having that time was already because what I can tell you, Uguti, Herbalife is the private school, your business. So, yeah, in a way, you could say Herbalife is hosting a business building seminar every month. Each and every month there's a weekend that's gonna be picked up. You go to event layer to inspire personal development, and they the personal development. They take in charge of how you think, and they teach you how to dream. Actually,
How long were you there? Go Herbalife.
like years,
Yes.
yeah.
Oh.
But I'm no longer there. Yeah.
Okay, going back to Miss Tin Davidson.
Yeah, so the mindset I was having was influenced by Herbalife. You understand? So I will know that I can dream as much as I want, or I can dream higher as I want, because the sky is the limit. So if I haven't reached the sky, I can still dream. I'm gonna make this happen. I'm gonna help this kid. Then they see future. Gubo, bring back confidence. I was body shaming myself. I'm gonna help them. You understand?
Yeah.
So that's how it started. And masengbuya, that the guy I call engimbiza ngokuthi mentor yam was like, ne, this girl. You understand? Then I think that is even where he started to put more effort on putting ideas. Give me, this is how you can do things in this business world. This is how you can do things in this business world. This is how you can approach people. This is how you have to plan your things. Next year, like this one has been a success. The next year, this is how long you need to plan your thing. This is what you're going to do. This and this. You have to meet this kind of people. When what I wanting this such, you have to try to knock here. The door will open here. This and this and this and this and this and this and this. That's how it started.
So, manje, if you are hosting the event yama pageant, wena njenge-hoster kumele kube uwo-decide ukuthi bazogqokani nani. You have to arrange all those things.
At first, with the first annual, because I had no information ending, but actually siyakhula ngokuyenza. So I'm the one who chose what they will wear. But ngesikhathi masihamba ngibe sengaqala ngaba involved by what are you guys comfortable to wear. But I have my own things. This year I want to involve this. For example, this year I wanted to involve the carrier wear. whereby I wanted to uletha into lokuthi education is important. You understand? Yes. Okay, things can go sideways the way you didn't plan them, like yenza game. But education when the open option. So let me just pick up to these kids. Like what are their dreams? Actually, their career. That's why the career was involved. But as is the thing they are comfortable with. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. But I'm the one who give the idea. Then they will choose what I've chosen. They're choosing meaning I'm clapping abanigeza maybe 10 options.
Yeah.
Then they will pick up.
Ngiyakbuza because current event I saw something different.
From the previous ones.
Yes. Ngibona abanye abantwana be symbolize other things like thole illness or something, but we are model at the same time. Yeah. So, what was the idea around it?
The idea was the theme of Miss Tin Davidson or the brand is beauty, where beauty meets purpose.
Yes.
That's the theme. That's our theme. I can say is the slogan. I prayed about this.
Yeah.
And then one thing for sure, when I was talking to God, I asked him guidance whereby I will be leading the kids to the right way.
Yeah.
It's not about modeling pela. That's why I'm saying where beauty meets purpose. So they have to know, okay, it's fine. They are beautiful. They can do the catwalks. They can do the postures. They can gain the confidence. They can be whoever they want to be. At the same time, they can pursue it like career while they are being themselves. Meaning that I allowed them to be themselves in what they want to become.
And then ungena kanjani kula competition, like for someone ongazi, how do you apply like to be the part of Miss Tin Davidson?
Okokuqala nje akumelanga nje ube nomntwana or akumelanga ube nehistory yokuthi ube nomntwana. Why? Why? We have frequency high kakhulu ka teenage pregnancy. Remember my patient, it's based on a teenager. You understand? So me trying to limit that. So if you want to be part of the patient, my patient, kumele ungabi nomntwana.
Okay.
It's a khathalekile ukuthi umntwana akho wabese uyadlula emhlabeni or kanjani. You don't have you don't have. They will tell you. I will buy you a pregnancy test if I see something engathi fish. Because I had a bad experience whereby I allowed a child without knowing go to pregnant. One model on my thing at 2022. Then after some time, I find out the girl was already pregnant while performing. So first thing first, you don't have to have a child. You don't have to be a mother. You have to be a teenager from 13 years to 19 years, between those ages. Ne?
But I'm a teenager. Sometimes I'm pregnant. Angazi ukuthi pregnant.
I will help you with that. Uncle, I will buy the pregnancy test. I will help you with that. So you have to be between the age of 13 to 19 years. Because it's Miss Tin Davidson.
And then I'm a model, like an overall that will be participating.
For now, I don't have a specific number that I allow Guti participate. Ne? Why? Because I haven't started to eliminate at an early stage before performing. You understand? Because I'm still trying to build the brand. Yes, now it's been 3 years doing the thing, but I'm still trying to build it. It hasn't get to a stage whereby I will have a specific number, but I do have deadlines. Because when you want to be part of Miss Tin Davidson, you don't have to have a child. You have to be between 13 years to 19 years. Between 13 and 19 years. Ne? Then other thing, you have to be residing or located around Davidton. Or be close by the areas, as they say, Davidton. You understand?
Yeah.
Or living in Davidton. Yeah. I don't take abantu abapuma SOS. And then other thing that you ube willing. Willing to be like willing and be teachable.
Yeah.
So Miss Tin Davidson as a brand or as a pageant ifuna abantwana abakanjalo.
Yeah. What about boys? And lastly, omunye umbuzo engakubuza wona. Ngibona udisqualify uMiss 2023.
23,
Yeah.
yes.
What happened?
So in the language of this pageantry industry, so we're saying we are dethroning. Dethroning.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Meaning
Oh.
uthathelwa isihalo
Yeah,
sobukhosi.
obvious.
Oh.
We understand.
Poo.
So yes.
Ngenkana ne?
No, it's like that one is not a question when.
Yeah, you
Well,
can get ngenkana.
No, it's not in car. No,
It is,
guys.
it
It's a statement. A statement is not a question. It's not. It doesn't need an answer. Ne?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a statement. You're giving a statement. Good see, we're done.
Yeah, we are done.
Yeah. So main reason for that. Okay, let me first explain this.
Yeah.
As I'm saying, it's where beauty meets purpose.
Yes.
So if you're gonna be, because I, the director of Miss Teen Davidson, the founder and the modeling coach of the pageant, I am not responsible for the queen that will be crowned on that year or
Yeah.
in that event.
Yes.
So it happens. We see even the red flags. I can see from a person go rehearsals or go journey towards the grand finale. So now I don't have powers to choose because you don't deserve the crown or what. But then the thing that you're going to do on the day of the grand finale, the judges are responsible for choosing that. So it happens now, they choose someone,
Yes,
understand,
yes.
and that person I angayenzi the way akumele ayenze ngakhona as given instructions.
Yes.
When you are a queen, you have to reign. We are using the name reign. You have to represent a brand. You are
Yes.
given even 12 months to do that.
Okay.
In my pageant, you are much allowed to join bigger pageant. You
Yes.
don't have to join local brands because
Yeah.
Miss Teen Davidson is a local pageant. So there's no way you can win a local pageant. You want to compete again to a local pageant. It doesn't make sense. You're not growing. So Miss Teen Davidson, it's allowing a queen to be exposed to bigger stages.
Yeah.
Yes, you've won in the locals. Then now go. You understand? Ukule. As
Teen Universe.
But do you think ube ese to that level ukuthi like usuke ese well taught enough ukuthi abe on bigger stages? Because mawuthi angeke asakwazi ukucompete
no, as a
nama-local
person,
other
you,
brands.
as a person in general, you won't be enough in this world.
Is it?
As a person, you won't be enough in this.
Angithi like
world.
Florence when umanage uMiss Teen.
Yes.
Should khona uMiss Davidson. Njengoba usho ukuthi ubese khona uMiss Davidson
Yeah.
umuntu
Yeah, I found
For
it.
her
Yeah.
to keep on attending these local
Yeah. So
events.
like ungasuka ku
uyakho.
Miss Teen uya ku
It has to be bigger than this
No, ufuna
one.
ibe bigger.
Oh, ufuna
Yeah, it has to be,
Yes.
yeah.
But I feel like for in terms of
Growth. It has to
Yeah.
go with growth. For an example, you can't be competing with the same people that you've beaten last time. What will happen if today you messed up and then you're going to be beaten, then you're going to be representing a local brand while you are going local brand? What is that?
Okay.
It's better udliwe ku local brand, you try another local brand. Then when you win, and it's as a person you have to ukhule step by step.
Yes.
You get what I'm saying? So now,
I get you.
yeah,
I get
the
you.
lady came to me
Yeah.
with no experience. Yeah, modeling and so forth. Ne?
Mm-hmm.
Then Mina, as a modeling coach, Mina, I gave you the classes
Yeah.
to even know
give out
how
classes?
to even know how to walk with the heel, to even know how to pose, how to approach the stage.
But do you guys teach these girls how to talk?
I do, like I try sometimes. I did. Didn't you saw the videos that I was posting before the event?
I saw, and there's this one lady that I saw. She was very fluent with the English, and I was very impressed. But when they get on stage,
Yeah,
it's
the
not a
nerves,
make
the
show.
nerves, the
Yeah,
nerves.
That's
yeah,
the thing.
the
You
nerves.
see?
Because now, what really happened? The main reason, the lady gained disrespect. They didn't like udelele the management. Miss Teen Davidson.
Hey, man.
Another thing, she didn't reign for Miss Teen Davidson. As a director, I forced myself to get maybe izinto zakhe for content. You understand? She did the thing of competing in a bigger stage, of which is decorating, and we are very proud of her for doing that. But as a brand, we are not happy about her. And then as a brand, we had to take this hard decision for good sim dethrone and get someone who will put the brand out there.
So Manem Titron, like nim replace her with someone else, like Onga Ngenelanga, even that competition, or is it like
No.
the second queen that
No,
was
when
following her, or what?
crowning, we have the queen, the first princess, and the second princess. Meaning that this is number 1, number 2, number 3. So because the judges saw which number 2 had a chance to be number 1, but number 1 was unique in that way to get the position of being a queen. So now we had to start number 2 because I'm sure we got close to number 1. Simienze the queen. And someone, this thing, it's about even putting Pella, you can't saying when this we ANC member. You understand? We ANC member. Are we in ANC?
Awukho active.
Like ngeke ukuthi umhlabe nje uyazi nje ukuthi kwake kwaba no
That's why some bheki babemshayisa ama-election bemdrayisisa wethe okay nabambona thakathi akasenze next.
Uyangi-understand ukuthi ngathini akazange wayenza the brand to be visible. Actually isho ukuthi wanted to be crowned. After that, use the brand for her benefits. You understand? Of which it's good. It's not a bad thing. It's good. It was all her effort, but she disrespected the management.
Also, you've got a team that you're working with, like to plan all these events.
No, I plan alone, but I have people who help me.
Oh.
I plan alone.
Okay.
I plan alone. I do everything alone.
Okay.
Yeah, understand?
And then tell me, from the time like you started up until now, you long to achieve it, like making these events, because you wouldn't just keep on making these events benefited like anything from this. What is it that you have been, or that you would say, I did not had this the last event, on this event now I've got this?
Okay. In 2022, bengfambula. You understand? In 2022, had no information. Even the audience, I don't think bebafika na ku 50. Bekubantu abancane, understand? And even the place where the event was held, bekuyindawo nje engekho nicer.
Oh, actually,
No.
Oh.
It was not the first location. So even the kids that were there, ngiqale nabo 2022, the improvement in their lives. You understand that? Because they started this thing with me. 2023, I improved in terms of venue ngendlela ibe ngakhona, gifts, and then I can also say, as I said, the Queen did well. The Queen did the thing. Yokuthi the brand what wants guthi ube ukhule. As a person, go to bigger stages, kuqhubeke ngempilo yakho, not just go to win the brand alone. So 2022 Queen, uyele wawina even to Miss Katolaga's school uniform, which is they give you a metric dance and a school uniform, which is the person that's the ukhule ezandleni zami. You understand? So that's a progress also. 2024, which is the 3rd annual, we've been doing this for 3 years now. So the improvement, my event was absolutely beautiful. The pricing, I like not really money.
Okay.
The pricing, no, number 1 got a laptop.
Oh, Hebana.
Yeah, number 1 won a laptop. Number 1 won a dress.
How much is it worth, that laptop?
Not sure because it was bought by my father.
Okay.
Yeah, my father bought it. But the slip was there. The Queen know how much was it. Because my father didn't take off the slip.
Wow.
Yeah.
We And then do you have sponsors? Like, when our sponsors now?
Yes. Last year I had a sponsor of which was Sumepo Media.
Hebana. Sponsor man. Hebana.
Team Davidson means passionate, Gauteng passionate or something.
Yes, the like how they sponsored my top public choice, the public choice winners for free photo shoot.
Okay, and And abobani abanye bama-sponsor akho?
Then this year, got so many sponsors. It was CET Beauty, which is the founder of that, the CEO is Caroline.
Okay.
Um,
Tell me about Miss Davidson, Davidson TV.
Yeah, there's
So
also
big.
Davidson TV. They sponsored us ngezinto eziningi laphayana. There was also
And I
marketing.
saw now about Davidson TV, uyachaza nge-event yakho ngibona lapha.
Yeah, you see improvement, ne?
Yeah, ne?
Yeah. So there's also parking. Yeah. There's a Bontina project. That's the one that sponsored our Queen with the dress. Yeah.
Is that all?
No. There's also
Oh, it's a lot of them. Also.
yeah. Others the names I'm mixing the names. So I think there were like six sponsors.
And
That's
another
it.
thing, Feteng Fanawebuza, how do you pick your judges in Feteng? Because the way you pick your judges, like it's so amazing.